Dhaval Panchal. Our company name is Vitthal Equipment and Machinery. We are manufacturing laser cutting machine and plasma cutting machine. We have our company from last 20 years. We have multiple product in laser cutting machine from 1 kilowatt to 20 kilowatts. Our manufacturing facility is 10 machine per month, and we are testing our fabrication and machining in laser cutting unit for accuracy. We have some clients like automotive industries, then precious engineering works and heavy engineering works. We give products in MSME industries. We will display our latest machine. We welcome you at Engiexpo, Dome number 4 and stall number 16 with our latest technology in fiber laser cutting machine.